Hi, I'm Dr. Battery from the Department of Business Administration. ரொம்ப நல்ல workshop. It was a very nice workshop which is connected to it and it improved our culinary skills. So,
A weekly workshop for our faculty members, and it was very well organized, and we got to learn so many new recipes like carrot cakes, eggless muffins, and the ways they made the cookies.
ஒரு கேக் எப்படி பண்ணது, மஃபின்ஸ் எப்படி பண்ணாங்க, and how pizzas are made. ரொம்ப ஒரு இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்கான ஒரு ஒர்க் and it made us feel at இப்போ சில்ட்ரனுக்கு பண்ணி கொடுக்கணும் அப்படின்னா we thought that this would help us a lot, and this is also a passionate thing which all bread makers would love to do. So apart from teaching, I think this would help us in starting our own business also. So as an entrepreneur, we'll start our own business in future maybe. So a very nice workshop, and kudos to the management who has organized this workshop for all our faculties. Thank you.
And it was a very nice and learning experience for us because we all could try it on our own, and we got to taste it also. So it was a wonderful experience and a learning experience, and we thoroughly enjoyed it today.